Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of GitHub, where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a very interesting step. I'm going to show you how you can log into your GitHub account and perform various activities using passkey as your fingerprint. Yes, if your laptop supports it, you can definitely do it on GitHub. So in order to enable it, all you need to do is to just simply find settings. You can find it on the top right corner when you click over the your profile picture icon. Just simply tap over here, and here in this settings option, just simply hit settings. Here on this left window, you're going to find this option which says password and authentication. Just simply tap over it. Once you do that, here you're going to see this option which says passwordless signing with passkey. Just simply hit the add a passkey button. Once you do that, here it says add a passkey. Just simply click over there and just simply hit add a passkey, and it will ask for a warning. Just simply hit create. Once you do that, it will ask for entering a recovery pin. You can add any of the recovery pin, and if your laptop supports password, it will directly ask for the Windows hello, a feature that would add a fingerprint login to your GitHub account.
I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.